delte meninger. Men sådan er det jo, men man gider bare ikke høre på det.
Nej, det gider jeg fandme ikke. Altså, jeg kommer til at klikke på hende et par gange.
Og hvad?
Jeg kommer til at klikke på hende et par gange. Fordi så er der sådan en...
I guess I am handing in some bottles to the recycling thingy. Get money. Well, sadly, they don't accept these types of bottles, so I'm gonna have to abandon them. It's only like 4 kroner. I think it'll be fine. Alright. 43.5, let's go. I'm out here. Gonna buy some alcohol for Yes's friend who's visiting. Thomas came by. I'm sure he wants to drink with them too. What else? Yeah, just a little bit of shopping really. I was supposed to go to Husum today to pick up packages, but a lot of packages are arriving today. I think I'm just gonna do it tomorrow or one of these next few days. So just another day of chilling out. Yes, you're always making a mess. I'm always clean up after you, but that's alright. I'm just gonna make some tea, head over to Ma's, hang out. Ah, it's so nice, man, just chilling here. I needed this. A place full of people, you can be social, you can retreat and be alone. It's just nice to be around a lot of people. Yesterday was a blast. I had such a good time yesterday. Oh, here we go. See ya. Oh, Jess is really taking a liking to me. He talks to me a lot. You didn't talk this much when I met you, Jess. You must have taken a liking to me, huh? I am good at petting. Makes sense after all. Alright, see you a little bit later, Jess. You get so many petting sessions a day, this guy. You don't even see half of them. Alright, a little bit of hanging out with Moss later. We ended up talking about just some social issues that's been going on with some people who live here at the commune. People who would rather talk behind others' backs rather than actually address someone face to face and say, I got this issue with you, please fix it. We just ended talking about a bunch of drama. I'm not really into it. I just wanted to understand what the fuck's going on in this place, why some people are behaving weird. But yeah, now I'm going to the other village nearby to do some shopping. Because people really don't want to be walking or even e-biking in this terrible weather. It's raining, as you can see. And I can blast over there in a couple minutes. So I'm just doing my part. See ya, guys. Check out this delicious food. One of the residents came over with a plate from me and Moss each. Very nice of him. Ah, this is amazing. I was about to make sushi, but guess I'll do that tomorrow then. Itadakimasu. I'm back hanging out in my corner. Hvad laver I heroppe?
Så meget skal finde morgens datter.
Ah, okay. I've just been chilling here today.
Ja, det skulle da være. Det er jo sygt godt gættet så.
Stoney just hopped on voice chat. I'm about to eat this. And yes, made it for me. It's got some pork in there. We're just hanging out.
Jeg kan alligevel vælge på det der CD. Synes jeg så